This is Ian Lamont, author of Excel Basics in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to hide columns or rows in Microsoft Excel for Mac. Let's get started. So the first way to do it is basically just select your column. So I'm going to select column B by clicking on the B at the very top. And then if you right click over that, you'll have an option to hide. And you can see there's also a keyboard shortcut as well. The other way that I like to do the hiding a column would be to select the column, and then in the home ribbon on the very side, in the very right side, you'll see an option for formatting. Click on that, then select hide and unhide, and then hide columns. Hiding rows works the same way. So I'm going to select a row by clicking on like row 15 right here, then right click over it, and I can hide it. I can also select a row and do the same thing. Format, hide and unhide, and hide rows. If you want to hide multiple things at once, that's easy. So select 2 columns. So I'm highlighting column A, then I'm holding down the Shift key, moving my arrow key to the right one. So that's selected column A and C. Right click, hide, and they're hidden. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description and bio. Thanks for watching.